Some of the vehicles we quote are worth more than scrap, and our smart online tool identifies these as our customers enter their details. If we think your vehicle is worth more, you can browse and compare quotes from hundreds of salvage specialists across the UK. Our network of buyers specialise in buying all types of damaged vehicles, including MOT failures, crash damage, mechanical failures such as engine, gearbox and electrical failures, flood and vandal damage, or any other faulty parts or systems. It might be even that your car is too old and tired, or previously crash repaired. However bad the damage, you can still fetch a decent price for it. When car troubles appear, it can be tempting to try and fix those issues yourself. However, this could end up costing you more in the long run and could also decrease your vehicle's value. Sometimes the cost of the repair exceeds what your vehicle is actually worth. Scrapping is a time-saving and cost-effective way of fixing your car trouble quickly. Our specialist buyers can offer a great price for your damaged car. Your car will be valued either based on the parts or a buyer's interest repairing the vehicle. Broadly speaking, and although other factors come into play, the value of your car is calculated on the current value minus the cost of the damage. To get a top quote for your damaged vehicle, fill out our form and browse and compare quotes in 30 seconds.